Hey guys, I'm back with another video and today I will show you how to make home screen Nova setup, and this video is in collaboration with Tech Paradise. So do check out his channel with the link given in description and do subscribe to his channel. So without any further, let's get straight into the video. As I don't have any SD card inserted in my phone, so I will just copy and paste the widget in the autosave file. So that is it for today guys. As I have said earlier, check out Tech Paradise YouTube channel and do subscribe to him. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.